Usembut Menteri Khuborjylla bak Preston Tensong ulayat ho bak jing maramot ya ke Surok badang tua hakini ki khendiat benai kadang ya chakmat ban penyesno biang Shillong ke Surok Shillong shadu Dawki kajing pentrei kadang ya menta chakmat bat kermen bakate ke benta jong ke Surok ke batua anla ban pendapno ban maramot hapo shitayo habakran syakilar pathai Khubor haka arpu khendai tarik naitung ubak Preston ula pentip ba ke National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited kala Trei shitom Miet bat Sngi ban maramot ya ke benta jong ke Surok bat ulaong ba kermen hapo shitayo ban wan lala ban maramot ya ke Surok nang bagi paj ba nong let nong wan kin la ban ya biang nagate ke Surok Ula kenturu ya Khubor distrik bat pulit ban syem kilat kilenti ban khmi bat pet ya kajing shngan jong ki paj ba nong let nong wan khnang ban yada na kijing je accident ha Shillong jong ke Surok bat ban weng ru ya kijing kumbala penpau de kinong shong shnong bat kinong let nong wan
Instruction has been given. I'm always in touch with the district administration, with the DC, and with our SDO civil, and then with our team from PWD. They are on the job, and see the real issue here is about that that portion where the road was washed away. So now instruction has been given to NEHU with the company whom they selected for execution work to create a subway there itself. So I'm happy to inform you that now creation of subway is almost in the final stage. The work is on, day and night this company are working, and I'm very sure hopefully within 1 week's time, right? Sure. Maybe within one week's time, we'll be able to again make this Shillong Dawki road operationalized.
What about the slow nature of the work?
Come again.
How do you speed up the work?
Speed of the work.
The Shillong Dawki road.
Then Shillong Dawki road, again I'm telling you because this is not directly under the control of the state government. You are aware that. I think you know it well. This is done by the government of India through the NEHU. Ministry of Road Transport has entrusted NEHU to do all the needful. So, but from our side, from the state government and from the state building, we are also working together with the NEHU. Any issues, any logical, any sensitive issues which they have, or the challenges that they have, the state government step in, district administration step in. So that is the duty from the state government where we are dealing with. And then we have already impressed upon them, and I've told them that to please make sure that the progress of work is satisfactory. It is not the state government. So bakali na ka NEHU, lami na ka Ministry of Road Transport. Kabangi lo concern mingi kolong bay uwan Trei way ro kabalo kabangi kwa kolong bande ba sundet ya kanika Surok adil as possible. And instruction has been given from the government, from home department, also to the district administration, both the DC and SP, that they need to at least take extra efforts to make sure that the recklessness happening every day or every week or every month should not happen. So it's again day-to-day functioning of the concerned district administration, and I'm very sure with the extra efforts put in by the district administration, we'll be able to curtail this kind of accident which happens very unfortunately.